Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you ready to streamline your customer relationships and boost your business organization, all from the comfort of Notion? Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to build a small business CRM using Notion's free Small Business CRM template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a professional-looking CRM setup, but you'll also know how to customize it specifically for your workflow. So let's dive right in. We're going to start by leveraging one of Notion's best features, templates. Instead of building your CRM from scratch, we'll be using Notion's free Small Business CRM template. Why? Because templates save you time and give your workspace a clean, professional design right out of the box. Plus, you can easily tweak things later to fit your style or business needs. It's truly the best shortcut for getting set up fast. First, go ahead and open up Notion on your desktop or browser. Don't worry if you're new to Notion's interface, I'll walk you through each click. At the very top left corner of your workspace, you'll see a little drop-down menu icon. It might look like 3 horizontal lines or little stacked dots, depending on your version. Click on that. This opens up more options for managing your workspace. From here, you're looking for an option that says Browse Templates. Sometimes it's tucked under a Templates or More tab, so take a moment to scan through the menu. Found it? Excellent. Click into Browse Templates, and you'll be greeted by a library of pre-built setups designed for everything from goal setting to project management. In the search bar, simply type Small Business CRM. Notion will instantly filter the results, and you should see a handful of CRM templates tailored for small businesses, each with different layouts and features. Take a moment to preview the ones that catch your eye. Maybe you prefer something simple, or maybe you need a more data-rich interface. When you find one that feels right, just select it and hit Add. This will copy the entire template into your workspace, ready for you to start building on top of. Now you'll see the template open up in your Notion page. At this point, you can start entering your business information. Fill in your credentials, company name, email addresses, contacts, whatever fields the template has. These initial details serve as the backbone of your CRM, helping you keep everything organized from day one. If you work with a creative team, you can even start adding relevant links or files to your CRM. Notion makes it easy to attach documents, images, or notes right where you need them. Here, where the fun really begins. While the template gives you a great foundation, it can and should be personalized. Maybe you want to add extra columns for notes, project deadlines, or payment stages, or you prefer a different color scheme to match your brand's vibe. All of this is possible. Notion lets you customize the template however you like, so don't be afraid to experiment and tweak sections until it feels truly tailored to your business. There's no penalty for trying new things, and you can always revert or adjust later. And that's it. After just a few steps, you've built a fully functional small business CRM in Notion, faster and more professionally than if you tried to piece it together solo. Remember, your CRM can grow and evolve alongside your business. Set aside some time each month to refine it, add new features, or update your contact lists. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button to support the channel. Got questions or want to share how you customized your CRM? Drop a comment below. I love hearing new ideas. And if you're hungry for more Notion tutorials and small business tips, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and good luck organizing your business.